Hi dear mommies, you're watching Baby Teen with me Nejunas, and to show you all today I have in my hand this beautiful elegant party wear baby pink and white color combo party wear I have. And here we have used both on front side and back side this beautiful satin fabric of baby pink color, and the skirting we have highlighted with this beautiful white color, so it comes in white and baby pink duo in all parts of this beautiful attire. Here you can see the collar, the neck we have made it in Peter Pan collar, and this collar is again embellished with this beautiful white pearls throughout, and these all are handmade. And the front side we have made bows, two different bows we have made, one bigger bow and one smaller bow, and the smaller bow is kept above the bigger bow, and here also we have highlighted the bows with this beautiful pearl works both on center, and we have scattered the pearls to both the sides of the bow. And yoke we have made it very simple with the same baby pink satin fabric, and when we go to the skirting we have used the same baby pink satin fabric, and we have given a beautiful layer of satin fabric both on front side and back side. You see, it is very elegant, very easy to wear and very easy to carry party wear dress for your baby. And back side you see we have given a huge bow. When you compare to the bow size on front, we have given a huge bow and a special shape, two cute tails also we have given, and the bow here on back side also we have scattered pearls on both the sides. So when we go to the skirting, you can see we have made a white color net over here, and we have done picot throughout the net, and the same is carried to back side. You see, as usual in all baby teen dress we have given margins. You see, one side default margin we are keeping in all baby teen dress, and the body touching part we are using is pure cotton, and for extra fluffiness we have used can, and we have also used cotton as the lining. So that's all about this beautiful dress. You can purchase the same from our website babyteenfashion.com, or if you want this beautiful costume in some other colors or some other size, you can reach us directly in our WhatsApp, or you can DM us. We'll be definitely helping you. So that's all about this beautiful dress. And mommies, if you wish to order from Baby Teen, please to place your order as early as possible, because we are not having any ready to dispatch items. We are making against orders. So we'll be coming with the next beautiful attire very soon. Until then, all mommies and babies, please do take care and stay safe. Bye bye.